क्या तुझे खांसी है? अरे और बुखार भी? अरे बाप रे, मतलब कोविड? अब तू गया? No, it's not that simple, right? Yes, COVID doesn't hurt you that way. COVID doesn't kill you that way. Hello guys, this is Dr. Jay. I'm a consultant physician, diabetologist and a critical care specialist, and you are watching Doctor Plus, where you will be getting a doctor plus something more. And we'll be talking everything about good health and everything good about health. So let's get to the point of the very first video today. Every cough is not COVID. Yes. And why do I say this? Is because I have seen 2000 plus critically ill COVID patients and treated them successfully. And let me tell you, they were not just sick patients, they were insanely sick patients. That is, by that I mean they were on BiPAPs and ventilators. So everything that you'll be getting from here today and now onwards will be damn genuine. So keep watching and watch the video till the end so that we get enough idea of why we don't have to panic about this health condition. So in last 1.5 years, as we have seen, we have suffered a lot. Whether you say it a health emergency, a pandemic, or a once in a millennium condition. So how to differentiate between the COVID and non-COVID illnesses? Now COVID-19 illness per se primarily is associated with the lungs or upper respiratory and lower respiratory tract infections. So diseases that are related to COVID-19 are also in that big amount. How we as doctors differentiate between these COVID and non-COVID things? First off, let's discuss the non-COVID illnesses. In non-COVID illnesses, first thing that is very typical and quite differentiating between COVID and non-COVID is the type of cough. Yes, the type of cough in bacterial infections is usually with expectoration, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं बलगम वाली खांसी. Yes, अगर पेशेंट को बलगम आ रहा है तो आप ऑलमोस्ट 90% सर्टेनिटी के साथ कह सकते हैं कि उसे कोविड नहीं है. पहली चीज़ थी बलगम वाली खांसी, दूसरी है वीकनेस. वीकनेस रहती है बट यूजुअली इट्स इन माइल्डर proportions as compared to COVID-19. Also, the degree of fever is milder as compared to COVID-19. So, if you see a patient which looks toxic, which looks critically ill, आपको बहुत बीमार लग रहा है, chances हैं कि उसे कोविड हो. दूसरा है mild grade fever. This applies to the diseases where the disease is localized to your pharynx, that is pharyngitis बोलते हैं, tonsillitis बोलते हैं, उसमें mild grade fever रहता है. Third is weakness, which is also mild, right? Unless a non-COVID infection or bacterial infection gets access to your lungs या systemic blood तक पहुंच जाता है, lungs तक पहुंच जाता है, तभी जाके तकलीफ होगी और इतनी significant तकलीफ होगी कि hospitalization की ज़रूरत है. But कोविड के केसेस में हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? Primary reason is that COVID-19 viruses, they belong to a group of coronaviruses that are related to the SARS coronavirus, and the group of respiratory viruses which are related to the propensity or higher chances of getting the access to your lungs. SARS coronavirus का full form है severe acute respiratory syndrome. These viruses are quite related to the coronavirus that we are seeing today. SARS का भी आगे एपिडेमिक हो चुका है, पेंडेमिक तो नहीं कह सकते, आगे भी उसका एपिडेमिक हो चुका है, लेकिन it was not this severe and it was not up to this extent. How will you differentiate whether if a patient is having COVID or not? First thing is COVID patients present with dry cough. Yes, they don't have cough with expectoration. उनको बलगम वाली खांसी नहीं होती है, उनको होती है सूखी खांसी, जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं सूखी खांसी और what we call as dry cough. Other very specific thing about COVID is they have positional coughing. Positional coughing मतलब as soon as the patient gets up from the bed, as soon as the patient tries to change position, they will start coughing. Yes, it is very specific for COVID, and वो cough throat dry होने की वजह से इतनी खांसी रहती है, and that lasts for about at least 2 to 3 weeks. The other thing about COVID-19 is they have high grades of fever and they have high grades of weakness also. They also have loss of appetite. लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट मतलब भूख कम हो जाती है उनकी, खाना पीना नियरली बंद हो जाता है. सो फीचर्स आर ड्राई कफ, सूखी खांसी बोलते हैं. सेकेंड इज हाई ग्रेड्स ऑफ फीवर. थर्ड इज वीकनेस विच इज़ सिग्निफिकेंट, सीवियर वीकनेस आ जाती है. और लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट मतलब भूख बहुत कम हो जाती है. एंड द फीचर्स रिगार्डिंग breathlessness that we see, it is very less in proportions of the patients that we see. Wow! Out of 100 patients that I see, I usually find breathlessness in nearly 3 to 5 patients only, and those are the only patients who requires admission. बाकी के 95% लोगों को एडमिशन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती है. They can be well treated at home. So don't panic whenever you acquire COVID or any one of your family member acquires COVID. Don't panic or don't just try to rush to the hospital and get yourself admitted. No, that is not the way. Now you will think that 5% is quite a less number and why to consider it also. But no, when you have patients of COVID which are in the proportions of lakhs and crores, even 5% is a bigger number. So the best thing you can do about COVID when you are suffering from COVID or when your family members are having COVID is get them to a consultant physician or a consultant pulmonologist. Don't just overtreat yourself or undertreat yourself. That could be very hazardous. Always consult your doctor as soon as you feel that COVID is getting worsened. So guys, this was Dr. Jai signing off for today, and we'll be discussing a lot of health topics in upcoming videos. Do subscribe to my channel for getting regular health updates, and do press the health button. Yes, the health button. I would call it health button because from now onwards we'll be getting regular health updates and genuine up-to-date information regarding recent health topics. Do like the video. If you feel that this video was even a bit of helpful to you, do share the videos to your friends and families if you feel that this video might be helpful to them, and do comment on the video. Do share your doubts regarding your health, regarding COVID and non-COVID things. I'll be more than happy to help. See you till the next time. Bye.
3, 2, 1, 0.